Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of rocket technology. We'll be sharing a game-changing trick that SpaceX has been using to land their rockets like pros. Rocket technology has seen a massive shift thanks to SpaceX and their revolutionary reusable rocket technology. They've completely transformed the space industry by making rocket landings a routine part of their missions. Now, let's talk about the challenge of landing a rocket. Historically, it's been a daunting task. Many rockets have been used only once and then discarded, which is not sustainable. Traditional methods involved letting the rocket fall into the ocean, never to be used again. But SpaceX took a different approach. They developed innovative landing techniques to bring rockets back safely. Not only does this save costs, but it also improves efficiency by leaps and bounds. So, what's the one trick that sets SpaceX apart? It's all about precision and control. SpaceX uses autonomous drone ships to land their rockets on, providing a stable platform for touchdown. This method is a game changer compared to the old ways of landing rockets. In summary, landing rockets is no longer just a dream. It's a reality thanks to this one trick from SpaceX. The impact of this innovation on future space missions is truly groundbreaking. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more space-related content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up to the stars. Your curiosity about space technology fuels our passion for sharing knowledge.